Hey guys, welcome back to another painting and decorating vlog. So this is number 3. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to fill some of the holes in the walls, as you can see up here. I'm pretty sure they're the only ones really. So yeah, and there's some in the hallway as well that I'm going to fill in, so I'll show you guys that as well. So yeah, so we're going to go and get on with that first. And then I'm going to do the windows over there. So I'm going to go and paint around the edges. I'm going to have to take the, I know not blinds, but you know, the window things down. So, such a professional. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that. So yeah, I'm going to do the filler first and I'll film a bit of that, and then we're going to go and do the windows. So yes, stay tuned. Right guys, so I quickly realised that it's really difficult to film and fill at walls at the same time. So, I'm just going to show you guys what I did. So I filled those, filled it down there, and a little bit over here as well. So that's all literally for the living room, and then I'll show you guys a little bit of the hallway. I just filled in like some holes in the wall, but because realistically, I thought I should leave some holes anyway because my mum was just going to put stuff back up, but my parents like fill the holes in, so I'm just going to do that. So yeah, I filled a few little bits. So which I'm just going to go over with blue paint once it's dried. So yeah, that's it guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and sort the windows out. Ouch, that was my foot hitting the sofa. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that, and I'll show you guys me taking the stuff down. Right, so just taking them all down. It's actually a lot easier than I thought. So yeah, no window things, whatever they're called, blinds, I don't know. So yeah, all gone. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and paint in all this. So all the sides of the windows basically. So yeah, let's go and do that. Right, so I've started on the windows. And as you can see, I mean, I'm definitely gonna have to do a good few coats on it. It's not really showing up on camera, but it's very translucent and like see-through, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do a few coats. But anyway, so I've started on it. So I thought I'd just give you guys an update. Right, so I've done around the windows and I've just done one coat, and I've done 2 coats on this side, but the rest of it's still pretty wet, so I can't really do 2 coats. So while I wait for it to dry, I'm gonna have my lunch break. So yeah, then I'm gonna go and get back to it guys. So yeah, so stay tuned, I'll probably film a bit more of me doing the window, not 100% sure yet. Right guys, so I've decided to leave the windows for today, simply because I've got about 2 hours left before I'm gonna aim to leave. So I basically need the windows to be dry when I leave so I can put these back up so that nobody can look in. So I feel like if I put a coat on now, another one, it might not be dry in time for when I leave. So yeah, I'm just going to basically finish them off tomorrow. I feel like they probably just need another coat and that's it anyway. I've already done one window, I just need to do the other 2. So yeah, so hopefully it's fine. So that means I can get on with the fun part now, which is painting the walls orange. So I think I'm just gonna go and start, pardon moi, doing that. So yeah, I think I might cut in around the sides. Well, I might just start on one section, complete it, and then go around and do that. So yeah, I was pointing you guys in that direction because I think that's probably what I'm gonna do first. So, and I'll film a bit of that for you guys. So let's go and do that. Fun times part 3, let's go. Right guys, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go and sand kind of the lumpy bits, I guess, of the wall, and then I will paint over it. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do a bit of sanding now. Hey guys, so I finished for today. So I managed to do the wall, not all of it orange though, obviously I just didn't have enough time, but I've done one coat on this side. So yeah, it looks in a really nice colour. As you can see, it needs a good few more coats, but I think it's going to look really cute in here, so yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I'm going to close out part 3. Yeah, this series is going on for, I guess, more parts than I thought. But then it's probably, this is like a week job, so I'm being realistic. It's quite interesting to film the process that I will be able to look back on. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe for more, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I put the screen from the video. Yes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. And also quickly, that's the ceiling because I didn't show you guys yesterday of me finishing it. So yeah, that's it. All done.